What's up guys, Chef Ricky's back here in the kitchen, and today we're going to be making the Shish Taouk Platter. Now, this is one of my all-time favorite meals. I love eating this at least once or sometimes twice a week. It's that big bowl of chicken with potatoes, rice, salad, hummus, homemade garlic sauce. You're gonna love this one. So let's get started. So we're gonna start by cutting up the chicken breast and frying it on the skillet. All right, let's go. Once the chicken is all cut up, put it in a bowl, and now we're gonna start seasoning it. We're gonna put some garlic powder, we're gonna put some salt, and we're gonna mix it. Then we're gonna put it on the skillet and we're gonna fry it. All right, let's go. Okay, so the potatoes are ready and out of the microwave. So we're gonna keep them round for this recipe. We're gonna put 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and I'm using the liquefied cold pressed coconut oil. And we're gonna put some salt and some garlic powder. Okay, let's go. Them, and at this point they're already cooked, they're nice and soft. We're going to put them in the air fryer for about 10-15 minutes to crisp them up, and it's like magic. These are so delicious. You need to try this recipe. So if you don't want to use the method that I use by microwaving the potatoes, you could always put them in the oven for about 45 to 60 minutes. It takes a bit longer. Or you could boil them and then fry them with a bit of oil or butter. But honestly, it's really late again, and when you're in a rush and you want a quick meal that's delicious, the microwave, it's 10 minutes and they're cooked. You're just putting them in the air fryer just to crisp them up with the oil. So it's a really good trick when you're short on time. All right, let's go. Okay, so the chicken is just about ready, and now we can start preparing the rice. Now for today, we're going to be using the quick 2-minute rice. We put this in the microwave for 2 minutes and it's ready. Now if you have more time and you want to do it the other way, you could put a cup of dry rice with 2 cups of water. You bring it to a boil, and then once it starts boiling, you reduce the heat to simmer and you put the cover on, and then you let it soak. And then about 10-15 minutes, it's ready. But in this case, we're trying to get it done quickly, so we're gonna use a 2-minute rice. It works perfect for the recipe. So I'm gonna eat half of this bag and I'm gonna share the other half with somebody else. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so now for the secret garlic sauce, the homemade garlic sauce. We're gonna be using 0% Greek yogurt plain. We're going to be using some lime juice or lemon juice. We're going to be using some garlic powder, and we're going to be using a bit of coconut oil. All right, let's go. Okay, so there you have it. So once this is mixed well, put it back in the fridge, and then when you're ready to eat, you take it out and you put it on your chicken or for the potatoes, stuff is bomb. You're gonna love this. Low calorie, high protein, homemade garlic sauce. There it is, and I added the pickled turnip that I forgot. So now that makes the dish. So yeah, so there is the shish taouk, homemade with the chef potatoes and the homemade garlic sauce. You're gonna love this. Give this one a try, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, have a great night.